Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are go for seal live.
Hi, I'm Karl Konrad and welcome to another one of our fascinating quick tip videos about Australian immigration law, and this is proudly brought to you by Australian Immigration Law Services in Sydney. We use the term onshore and offshore applications a lot in our profession, and we take for granted everyone else knows what these terms mean. But of course that's not the case. One of our viewers, Deepak, left a message on our comment section of the latest video asking what's the difference. Well, it's a good question, so here's a quick answer for you all. In the old days, offshore applications used to mean that you had to be outside of Australia at the time of lodgement, and onshore applications were that you were in Australia at the time of lodgement. There are still a few visas like that which have two versions, like the partner and remaining relative visas. The 100 partner visa and the 115 remaining relative visa require applicants to be outside of Australia at the time of application. The 820 partner visa and the 835 remaining relative visa both require applicants to be in Australia at the time of application. However, many visas now allow applicants to be anywhere in the world at the time of lodgement, like the 189, 190 and 491 visas, for example. There is no longer a distinction of all visa classes being categorized as an onshore or offshore application. The only way to tell the difference these days is if an applicant was granted a bridging visa to remain in Australia until the decision is finalised. If the bridging visa was granted at the time of application, then this is an onshore application. If there was no bridging visa granted, then this is regarded as an offshore application. It's not about where your application is being processed, for many onshore applications can be processed overseas, and vice versa for offshore applications. It's also not about where you must be at the time the visa is granted, for this can vary depending upon the visa. Simply put, you get a bridging visa for onshore applications and no bridging visa for offshore applications. If any of our viewers like Deepak have an interesting question, then place it in the comment sections of the most recent video and I'll think about making a quick tip like this one for you. Want to learn more fascinating information or just keep up with the latest news? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. As always, take care out there and I'll see you next time. So bye for now.